Hey Hustle Hotties, it's your girl Shay, and this week we are mounting this mirror and redoing my beauty area. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So it started out looking like a zoo. This is the fallout of me installing my desk on the other side. This is what was left. So I started just with taking the mirror down, and then I needed to clean it. It had so many fingerprints on it. I also bought some lights from Amazon, and so that's what I'm going to be putting on the mirror before I put it up on the wall. So here I am just clearing the area, preparing it for when I finish putting the lights on. How the box came from Amazon. So this is what it looked like. It was a wheel of lights. I think the wheel made it a lot easier to work with, and here I am looking back at the pictures to see how I want to do it, how other people's looked, and then you just literally like peel it back and stick it on. It's so intuitive. I didn't really need the instructions, but I tried to review them anyway. I will say it started off weird. Like the tape or the adhesive had peeled up, and so it wasn't sticking at the beginning. So once I make it past that, this is gonna go a lot faster. Because yeah, that's me peeling it up off of the red tape that you remove, and boom.
Well, apologies in advance for just the lack of focus. I recorded this with cinematic mode, and so since it's focusing on me, it's very hard to actually see the mirror, and you will see it shift focus. So sorry, I will just be going back to regular video.
When I purchased this, I was concerned about the corners. They said you do have the option, like you could cut it, which I don't understand how that would work at all, but I think you can cut them. But it encourages you to just like bend it, and I thought that was gonna look absolutely crazy, but it looked just fine. It was easy to work with and no hassle.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day.
So this was too long to just do one wraparound. And I think this is the part where they say like you could cut it off if you needed to, but I just decided to keep going. But my mirror was actually too big to get a full second wraparound.
Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is mine.
Now I will say these are not the most appealing lights to look at when it's off, and I probably will still end up getting like some circle wall bulbs to go like next to it, or even if it sits on it, that's fine too, but this works for now. Here's the finished product and the hardware. So now I'm going to mount it. I don't know why I struggled for so long with just like, I mean, I wouldn't say I struggled, but I definitely was trying to be meticulous because I've hung things in the past and they've been crooked. So I was adamant about getting this right, especially because this mirror is heavy as hell.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Where I wanted them made it easier for me to drill, just so that like the screw wasn't moving around and then not on the exact spot that I wanted it to be on. So that's what you see me doing here. I hammered first and then I screwed the rest. You're gonna want to make sure that when you're screwing, I like drilled some of the hole before I actually put the clear piece on, just to make sure that like it was straight, and then I go back and I put the clear piece on. And you don't want to drill those in too far because like, you know, you still got to get your mirror in. And then you can just adjust after you have the mirror on there. You can tighten.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers.
And this is me once again just trying to get that perfect line. Obviously this looks crooked, but you know, the what's his face got me. Like the levelers got me. So this is straight. Believe me, if I'm doing it, it's gonna be straight because I wasn't playing no games.
Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss?
So once you actually have your clear pieces on there, you get your mirror and you put it in. Like I said, don't screw it too much like I did. And now it fits, especially with the lights on it. Yeah, I had to loosen it a little bit more. I was scared for my life right here. When it started to fall down, I almost lost it. So I ended up having to speed up the process of putting the top screws on. That went a lot faster than how I did the bottom, but I needed that first one because if this mirror would have shattered, I would have lost it. And voila, magic. So now we're gonna try it out. I have to get the attachment piece with the plug. And it's so bright, it's like perfect. I will say it's a weird color to me when I'm doing my makeup, but it helps. It's lighting. So now I'm going to put my desk back over there. Like I said at the time, this was my computer desk that I replaced with my standing desk from my previous video. So I have to move all of these computer items over to the other desk and just set up makeup here. I'm a whole comedian because I bought this UV lamp like I was gonna do my nails. I do them on occasion, but it's not that regular of a thing. I think once I get a drill, I will be more inclined to do my nails more. And this I also got from Amazon a while ago to organize my hair things. And this is like a little roller cart, so I can move it in and out as I need to. And we're done. She's cute. I bought some new makeup and I needed to put that away, but I just put it in the bag for aesthetic purposes. And here you are. Please don't forget to smash that like button and comment.
Two-time, baby.